Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. What that's the normal session ever and say this is Progress the Analyst, and here we touchlight all the updates, everything, all information. We bring it here. Now, listening to the acting Prime Minister, the message that he sent to Bianca Ojukwu, and I'll be right back.
We never bless that family. Bianca the Sabo, a Fulani woman. I don't know how we get here. She's not a Biafran, and she shouldn't be treated as a Biafran. Anybody that have decided to betray Biafra is not a true Biafran. Biafrans don't kill its own.
That's true.
Just look at the history of all the betrayers. You will find out they are not Biafrans. From Russia's Okura Usa to Hope Uzodip, just look at all of them. Till you also get to Soludo. When you look at Soludo, with his complexion and everything, you can tell Soludo is not even a Biafran. Go do their DNA. Take my word. Biafrans are what we call Onurube one near Boloso. Biafrans don't hurt themselves, they love themselves. Any sabos in Biafra land, from Ngozi or Abezedem, if you do go deep down, you will find out they have something to do with our enemy. They have something to do with the terrorists, Fulani. They are our enemies. I'm a true Biafran, and I have the true Biafra blood in me. Biafrans don't hurt a fly. Biafrans don't hurt a fly. That's what I mean. They don't kill their own. Any Sabo in Biafra land, mark my word, that person is not a Biafra. If you go deep down the root, you will find out that this person is not a Biafra. Bianca Sabo Fulani, I think the name will change from Bianca Ojukwu. The Ojukwu is not there. Is nothing like Bianca Ojukwu.
That's true.
Bianca Fulani. Bianca the Fulani. You better leave Biafra land alone. Relocate, move to your Fulani land, and go and live your better life in the north. Since you align yourself with the terrorists, since you align yourself with our enemies, if you are true Biafra, Bianca, you will not let the terrorist Nigeria come in Biafra land and kill Biafrans, rape Biafrans. To the extent you try to sell our resources to fight us, it won't be well with you.
He said
the Biafran people know what to do. The Biafran land know what to do. The God of Biafra know what to do. Biafrans, uno anugo. Biafrans, you know your enemy. You know those that are fighting you. You know those that are bringing the terrorists to fight you. Uno ane lehanya. Jisinike. Agama working here again. You know what to do. You know how to fight. You know how to defend. You know what is right. If you know what is right, do it. If you're in your land and you allow the terrorists to run you over, you allow them to Islamize you, to kill you, to rape your wife, your children, I don't know what I would tell you. That means a man able. But if you're not able, a man here. A word is enough for the wise, but I want to leave this last word for Biafrans. All the whole people that are fighting us, that claim to be Biafrans, I'm telling you today, they are not Biafrans. If they are Biafrans, they will protect you. they will save you. They will not let you drown in a river. If they see you drowning, they will come and drag you out and save you. But if they allow you while they see you drowning, that means they are not with you. All these people that give all of us sleepless night, they are not Biafrans. Mark them as not Biafrans. Mark them as enemy of Biafrans.
That's true.
They are enemy of the state. They are not Biafrans. If they can bring the terrorist people, have agreement with them to kill you, they are not with you. And as such, they are your enemy. You know what to do. I'm not telling you what to do. You already know. And you know those that are fighting for you. Support them. Months ago, when I was being accused, some have accused me that Nigerian government paid me 150 million to fight them. That accusation has started a long time ago. They accuse our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They accuse our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Now they are accusing me. So you telling me that the Nigerian government gave me 150 million to fight them. Is that correct? Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who?
Yeah.
If you're a true Biafran, don't listen to lies and deceits. Don't listen to all these propagandas, blackmailing. We are glad that they start confessing. One of the confession happened today that Solomon Nkwasha is Sabo. I have known that months ago. That Solomon Nkwasha is working with our enemy. I known that months ago. That Solomon Nkwasha is working with Caterpillar. Then, how does Solomon Nkwasha get the money to work with Caterpillar? From Ngozi Orabeze. So if you indict Solomon, who else do you indict? Ngozi and her group. If you indict Ngozi, who else do you indict? All the ones that are contributing the money for Ngozi, they are part of it. So when they start crying, our land is bleeding. If you're one of those that are sponsoring Ngozi, it's your fault as well. You are indicted for that. Because if you provide the money for Ngozi or Abeze, Ngozi will now provide the money to Solomon. Solomon will now mobilize, work with Caterpillar, Ebubagu, and others. So Biafrans, it's time you start asking questions. Like the fundraising that was held by Ngozi and her group yesterday. What is she doing with it? What is she doing with the fund? Rather than using the fund to fund those that will fight against us, to fund and work with the Nigerian terrorist state. Just like I told the army of Soludo, if it's ready to fight, we have a lot of enemies. We have enemies within. So it's true, we are fighting both the enemies within and the enemies outside. Are we all ready to fight? Buckle up your seatbelt. Our town hall meeting we had 2 weeks ago. The Vice President of Ambazonia Governing Council made it clear that the worst enemy to fight against is the enemy within. And we have the enemies within. We can see them.
Plenty of
We
them.
know who they are. So whatever we do to defeat them, do it. Is the right thing. Stop funding the enemy within. Ndị ntị ike. Unu ahụla Maazị Oge nwanyị nyere ego. Yiri unu onye nyere ego ka o rie ka ọmụnwa na-ewefute nke m. Just because you don't like me. Just because my impact, you hate it. If you don't like me, please love Biafran people. Don't crucify Biafran people because of me. You can take that on me on personal level. But anything that will affect the people of Biafra, please don't do it. If you hate me, you have the right to hate me. But don't hate what I'm doing, because I'm fighting a just cause. I'm fighting the right fight, not just for me, but for Biafran at large. If you don't like how I speak, I'm sorry. But I want you to like what I'm doing. I want you to know I'm fighting for you and for myself and for Biafra at large. Don't take because of my personality and fight against the Biafran people. Our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, at a time, a lot of Biafrans don't like him as well because of where he's from, because they despise his state, because they look down of the state where he's from. If you're a Biafran, don't practice evil. Please, we are here to restore Biafra. I'm not here just to restore the state that I'm from, but the entire Biafra. Do the right thing. The right thing is right in front of us for us to fight and get our freedom. Thank you. Ndewo, I think we have spent
Thank you.
We have some hands. We have some hands up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep giving you all the updates back to back. Thank you and bye for now.